Hi, I wanted to show you today what to do if you have braces, but one of the brackets actually becomes loose. So what you can see here is the bracket itself is still connected to the wire, but you can move it around on the wire. Now this isn't really an emergency, but I would call your orthodontist so they can schedule an appointment for you to take care of at your next appointment. However, if it's irritating you and as it slides around like that, what you can do to really just hold it in place is you can just take a piece of wax. Take a ball of wax, roll it into a ball, and then put it right there on the actual bracket itself and connect it to the one right next to it. This does add a little rigidity so it doesn't move around, and that wire or that bracket will not be moving around anymore. Be sure to take this wax off every time you brush your teeth so you can keep the area nice and clean. Thank you.